right, guys, so we are back with our Roadmap Journey series. We are now into Module 20, Customer Service Excellence. And so let's jump right in. So we start this off with what is the role of customer service? Now, there are a lot of people who are coming from different industries throughout the world, different 9 to 5 jobs, and all of that. So not everyone has had a chance to dip their feet into customer service. So I think it's extremely valuable that they added this module to the roadmap so that way anyone who is a complete beginner, not only into digital marketing, but just to starting their own business, gets an entire module based off of how to do customer service the right way. So, in the introduction, you're basically getting a full layout of what the role of customer service is, how you can play that role the best you can possibly play it. So then we're going to jump into customer lifetime value, which is normally referred to as CLV. And so what this means is, what is the lifetime value of your customer? Are they a one and done where they come in, they purchase your course, they take it, and you never hear from that person again? Or are they somebody that purchases the course from you, is so enamored with what they've learned in the course that they come back, they sign up for your newsletter, they sign up for your email marketing campaign. Eventually you launch a new product, they now want to purchase that as well. And so you're going to learn about how important it is to not just have churn in your business and really retain customers over the course of their lifetime, and how to determine the metrics really on how to make that possible. And so this video is going to be quite short, considering the next 2 videos are pretty much just like the videos that are in Module 19. The next 2 videos say that they will be available at a later date. They do not, however, say that they will be available with the Roadmap 3.0. We can only hope that that's the case. But the title of these 2 videos that we're missing are CRM Essentials, CRM meaning Customer Relationship Management. And so that's going to also be something that's very helpful to a first-time business owner, someone who's starting their online business, coming fresh off of doing, something where they had no involvement in any type of management. That CRM Essentials video is going to be pretty valuable to somebody like that. And then that next video that we're missing is called Implementing Feedback in Service, which must be much more in depth because they do have an entire separate section in a couple modules about feedback loops, how to go about setting them up, where you can find them, all of the different software systems that are available. So I'm actually excited to see what that one is all about because they've already touched on a bunch of that throughout the course, just in the other modules. So their plan for that must be pretty extensive. So we'll see, obviously, if the 3.0 includes these 2 videos. It doesn't say that it will now, but we can only hope, right? So that's going to be it for this one. We're going to be jumping into Module 21, which is Sustaining Business Momentum, in our next video. So be on the lookout for that. Like I always say, if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. So until next time, thank you and have a great day.